Okay, for today we're going to discuss custom list view for Android Studio. But the custom list view has button which is add in an insert button. Okay, so I have here my blue stock, and we'll have here custom list view delete. Okay, so I'll just add a project or create a new project. So for this one, I'm going to need pictures. I'll place it on the drawable. So I have here three pictures. You can add more pictures on this one. Let's say for example 10 pictures, it's okay. So I have here uh three icons. Okay, or three pictures. Okay, so let's add this one. So copy and then place it on our drawable. Paste. There. Okay, so I have Kitty, Hello Kitty, Peppa Pig, and SpongeBob. Next, next to that, I'll click create a Java class. So to create a Java class, click right click and then Java class. I'll name this as icon class because uh, this will serve as mm, oh, just an icon class. Okay. So for the icon class, I have here private int drawable ID, and then private string title str, and then I have your private string des str. These are for my I'll place my getters and setters in this Java class. So we have a public icon class, super there, and then sorry I forgot open and close there. And let's have generate mhm, constructor, all of this. Okay, there. So I have my constructors, forget super, and also don't forget to generate your getters and setters. So right click, generate getter and setter for all. Okay, there. So I have there my getters and setters, and another one, generate my toString. So my toString for those. So I have public string toString. I have icon class from ID drawable there. So I have my getters, setters, and my toStrings. Okay. Sorry, toString. Okay. So after creating your Java or icon class, now let's create first our mm, XML layout for our custom list view. So for our custom list view, okay. So for our custom list view, wait a minute. Okay. We're going to just insert an XML for our custom list view. Okay. So XML for our custom list view. To insert an XML, new, and then look for XML there. XML layout. Okay. Let's call this as custom list view layout. Okay. This is where we will place the layout for our custom list view. So, this will, sige, let's change it later na lang. So, finish. So, I only have an XML, but I did not place any Java for that, just the XML because for the layout. So, to lay out this, let's change our root layout to relative layout. Okay. And then, after the relative layout, let's insert a linear layout vertical. So, linear layout vertical. Okay. On our linear layout vertical, we'll have our image view there. So, we have our image view. Let's have, for example, let's have for the width, let's have 80, 80, and then for our height, 80. Okay, and then, okay, and then we'll just have we'll just place a temporary image. Okay, the IC launcher. Okay, so that we can see our image view. Next, the linear layout, we make it wrap content and wrap content. Okay, and then beside our uh actually on the right side, rather on the right side, we'll have again a linear layout. Okay, a linear layout vertical here. Okay, on our linear layout, we'll place a button. Okay, and we'll rename the button. The text is delete, and the ID is btn delete. There. Okay, so I'll just make it send. I can have it centered. Okay, and then for the linear layout, let's have fit wrap content, and then for the height wrap content there. Next, let's have another linear layout in the middle. Okay, on the middle, let's have two text view. One is a large text, that's for the title, and the other is just a plain text. Okay. So for the title, for the first, okay. So this one, the large text is for the title, and the second one is for the description. Okay. So the linear layout, let's have wrap it change the layout to wrap content and wrap content there. So that's the layout of our custom list view. Okay? So after that, we need to go to our main XML. Okay? For the main XML, okay? For the main XML, the layout is we'll have an insert button at the top part. So we'll have relative layout and then a button at the top part. Let's have the width to match parent. Let's change the text to insert new data. Okay. And then the text is ptn insert. There. Okay. The bottom part, after or below the button, will have the list view. This is where your custom list view will be displayed. So let's go to list view here at the bottom there. So a button and a list view. Okay. Then after designing or layouting your custom list view layout and your activity main XML, will go to your main activity.java. Okay, under main activity.java, here we are going to have or we are going to create uh or we're going to create a nested class for our array adapters. So first we'll just instantiate our buttons, which is the insert, the list view. Okay. So we have button. Our button is btn, button tab. It's btn insert. And then we also have our list view. Okay, list view. Let's name it as list view. Okay. And also I need an icon adapter. Icon data adapter. I'll name it as icon adapter. There. Oh, I forgot to import. So Alt enter. Sorry. Um, inner class there. So I have my inner class there. Okay. So next, going to have my array list. So array list. Okay. Icon class. Oops. Alt enter. So I have here icon the list and new array list, which is the icon class. Okay. And then I'm going to insert my first object, which is, let's say for example, kitty. So icon class, icon class, object one. I'll assign Kitty for this one. So new icon class. So object one dot set title str Kitty, hello Kitty, and then object one dot set description. Let's have pink cat, and then object one dot set drawable ID. Our drawable ID is r dot drawable dot kitty there, right? And then I have icon list dot add object one. Okay. Same goes to the others. So I have three icons there, diba? So I'm just going to display all the three. So I have object 2, object 2, 2, and 2, and 2. Of my object 2 is Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig is pink pig. Dot Peppa. Then my object 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. I have there SpongeBob. It's a yellow sponge. And it's dot sponge. There. Okay. Next, I'm going to cast my list view. So I have list view is equals to list view. Find view by ID r dot id dot list view icon adapter equals new icon adapter. Let's have inside. Let's have get base context. We have r dot our layout, that which is the custom list view layout, and then we'll connect our icon list there. Oops, oopsie doopsie. Create constructor. Okay, another. Oh, there. So later, and then here going to have list view dot set adapter icon adapter. Oh, wrong. Icon adapter. Icon adapter. Icon adapter. Okay. So there. And then make implement. Okay. I'll just implement view there. Okay. So this one implement methods. Okay. For my implement method, get at Oh wait, we'll just have it later na lang. We'll just finish this. So we have there private class icon adapter will not implement list adapter, but will extend the array adapter, which is our icon class. There. So public icon will have context, and then int, let's name this as resource layout ID. Array list icon let's name this as list object. Okay. Next, we have super context. We also have our resource layout, and then of course our list object. Okay, and then we'll have this dot res this that layout. Sorry, I forgot to place here private array list. We have icon class, icon list. Also have int layout rest id. So that we'll have here this dot layout rest id. We'll also have this dot icon it's equals to new array list, the icon class, and then here I forgot to have the rest layout, and then this dot icon list dot add all list object. There. Okay. Next. So later we'll add codes for our list view, and once we click the list view, and for the button insert. So after that, I'm going to have here generate an override method, which is the add. So add. So I have here icon class object super dot add object icon list that add object. There. And I need to also have the add-on. So generate override method to add all. So we have add all will add the array list, which is the icon class. There. Okay, name object. So here we have icon list that clear, icon list that add all object. There. And then another one, I'll have the remove. So generate, override, and then we'll have remove. So icon list object. So per that remove object, icon list that remove the object. And then I'll have a view holder, private class view holder for my text view title and text view description or des, an image view, aray ko, an image view, image v, and also have the button which is the btn delete. There. So going to view all first. So I have here public get a public view get view. Let's have final in position view convert view view parent group, and then I'll have view holder is equals to holder equals to null view view is equals to convert view if convert view is equals to null. Sorry, I forgot the parenthesis. Okay, we'll have layout inflator equals layout inflator, call it vi is equals to layout inflator get system service context that layout inflator service view v view is equals to v dot inflate. We have we have layout rest id comma null. Okay, next we'll have holder is equals to new view holder for my title. Folder title is equals to text view find a view that find view by id r dot id dot I forgot to change the name and the id, so it's on the custom there. So this one is for my text title. The other one is for this one, the ID. Just change it here. So this one is text text desk. So back to my main. So that text title, and then holder dot desk is equals to text view dot find view by id dot id dot text desk. Also have here my holder dot image v is equals to image view dot find view by id dot id dot text image view, and then my button btn holder dot btn delete. It's a button view dot find view by id dot id dot btn delete. There. Okay, next going to have my codes for my delete. So folder dot btn delete dot set on click listener new shift o. Okay, so we have button btn tag is equals to button, which is the fee, and then icon class icon object is equals to icon class. We have here btn tag dot get tag there, and then icon adapter is equals dot remove icon object. So I'll remove uh the 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 data on the list view when I press the delete button. So icon adapter dot notify data set change. Okay, and then else. Okay, folder is equals to view holder view dot get tag. Okay, and then going to have here forgot to place it on curly brace. So we'll try to catch it. Try catch exception. Okay, place here first. Okay, on the try catch, we'll have icon class icon object is equals to icon list that get position get inside is the position of the ones we are going to delete. We want holder dot title dot set text icon list dot get title. It's icon object dot get title str. Also have folder dot desk dot set text icon object dot get desk, and then holder dot image dot set background resource, icon object that get throwable, holder that btn delete that set tag, then icon object. Okay, catch e that print trace. Okay, and it's a return view. Okay, let's check it first, but only the delete is working. Here, let's wait. There. Oh, so let's remove our IC launcher on our XML. So no, this one. So I'll just remove this. So again, there, it's working. So delete. Again. Delete. Does not delete the first one. Okay. So let's check our codes for the delete. So btn delete button btn tag v icon class object btn get tag, remove the icon, set data, and then holder get the tag, icon position, title, get string. Okay. And then have the remove here, public, or the remove void, remove object. It's okay. I forgot. View that set tag and holder. There. Excuse me. View there. Next, we'll have our codes for our button. The end. So for example, btn insert that btn insert first cast button find view by id r.id dot btn insert, and then btn insert dot set on click listener new shift o tap. So for the insert, that's going to add, let's say for example, I'm going to add a new object which is the kitty, for example, only. Okay, you can have if statements on your button if you want if you have selections on what to insert. Okay, so for example, here I'm going to just have this one, but change this to new, 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 sorry, new, new, and new, and new. Okay, so I can, so this one, change this to icon adapter that add our object which is the new, and then icon adapter that notify change. So for example, I want to add that one, the kitty. Okay, insert there. Okay, so delete